So we pulled out Dromod and had them side by side in the middle of the yard. And the lads took photographs of us all standing around the two locomotives. And that's the first time they've met as two locomotives. They've met before, but Nancy was in bits. But this time you can see the two locomotives together.
But as we say hello to one engine, we say farewell to another. Dromod will now be beginning the same journey to England, refurbished to the same high standard and return home, hopefully much sooner than Nancy.
Well, Dromod's gone into storage in Stoke-on-Trent and Graham and Duncan Milner's yard. And when Alan Keefe or Patrick Keefe is capable or has time, he will look at the engine and we will decide how we will restore it.